Today I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $20 just by referring your friends using the Comet Browser Refer and Earn program. And guess what? Your friend also gets the Pro version for free. So, Comet Browser is not just a normal browser. It's fast, lightweight, private, and gives you amazing AI-powered features. But the best part, they're currently running a Refer and Earn offer where both you and your friend win. Reward for per refer are United States, $15 India, $1 per referral, South Korea, $10 Indonesia, $2 Malaysia, $5 Taiwan, $10 Canada, $10 Singapore, $10 France, $10 Egypt, $2 Israel, $10 Australia, $10 Spain, $10 Germany, $10 Thailand, $8 Japan, $10 Belgium, $10 Hong Kong, $10 Ireland, $10 Netherlands, $10 Poland, $10 UAE, $10 Romania, $10 Afghanistan, $1 Algeria, $2 Botswana, $2 Cambodia, $2 Italy, $10. So what are you waiting for? Copy the link, go to Chrome, paste the link, a pop-up will appear, click on the invitation claim. By doing this, you will also get Perplexity Pro for 1 month absolutely free. Next, enter the email address and verify it using OTP sent to your email. Once your email is verified, you will redirect it to another tab and Comet Browser download will start automatically. After it's downloaded, open the file and click Install. Wait few moments for the installations to finish. When it's done, launch Comet Browser. Now, follow the screen setup steps, import your data if you want, give your account a name, and click Continue. Here comes the most important part. Make sure you log in using the same email ID used earlier for claim invitation. This is required to activate the free Pro version. Once you logged in, click Continues, skip the remaining sets of steps, and open Perplexity AI. I will fast forward these steps so that we can save time. To qualify for the referral program, you must actually use Perplexing AI. So start asking question, explore features, and stay active. At first, ask any type of question like how to get perfect six-pack abs. Like this, you can search anything you like. This helps your account remain eligible for referral rewards. Next, click on Refer and Earn, copy your referral link, and start sharing with your friends, followers. Every person join through your link and complete the steps will earn you a reward. To track your referral and payments, create an account on Dub. Here you can monitor clicks, total signups, and earning. Once you reach the payout threshold, add bank details and withdraw AMT. Remember, the payout is processed after the 30-day successful referral, and that's it. You can do unlimited referral and earn much as you want. But hurry ups. This offer is available for limited time, so grab your invitation and start earning today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video where I will show exactly how to withdraw your earning directly to your bank account. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next